Okay, guys, thank you for waiting for me. Today is the 22nd of July, 2025. Crazy revision with Kel. Let's review the gold market last night. All right, so that will be what we'll be looking for, and hopefully you can learn something out of it. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is gold yesterday. Yeah, yesterday gold opening price was very good, 3349. Now, what is very important was MLP. The MLP was 3345. So when gold opens, right, once it opens, there's an MLP over here, right? Okay, you can see on the screen right now. The gold price actually hits the MLP and then rebound and went all the way up here itself. Can you see that? So it's very important to know MLP. MLP is the divider between the bull cam and the bear cam. So when the market touches MLP, if it touch from the top to the MLP, the two things can happen. It's either that the market going to go all the way up after it touch MLP, or it goes all the way down instead. All right. So same thing for the market. If let's say this is the, oops, sorry. If this is the MLP, which is on the top instead, okay, and the market opens here, okay, so if it goes up, okay, it breaks up, that's no problem. But if the market does this, the market goes up and pull back, oh my God, the selling will be very, very bad, okay? So that is how the MLP works. So now, if you look back again on the MLP, it's very clear that it's very strongly supported by by the market supported by MLP. And because of that, right, we look at the KSI is green, the KCI is black. So that means that both indicators, the big boys, and the retailers are on your side. So with that as a clear thing, we said that if the market to go up, right, the first target will be 3370, and it really, really happened. And next target we say will go to 3389 because that was KCB. Yes, indeed, it actually happened, and then the market basically stays above it. So now the next target that gold can be going up will be as high as 3, 4. 3454. Wow, it's a big number here. But is it possible? I think it's possible. Right, I think that's not it for the midterm, all right? So 3454, if you trade it, you're just only $50 away from the all-time high, and it's going to be very, very exciting. Okay, let's look at the 5-minute chart to learn this better, all right? Let's go. Now, this is the 5-minute chart of gold, and you can see that it's very clear that how do you trade it. Now, below OP, we don't do anything unless you want to sell the market, which I totally against it because the KSI on the day chart is actually bullish. So if you look at it now, if you buy where the diamond is, okay, wow, you can see that immediately it's all profitable, even at the last part. Now, what are the time frame? What is the time frame that I prefer to trade? Is during this time frame. So that will be from this Vietnam time 2 p.m. okay until this 5 p.m. I think basically with this timing is good enough to trade. If you want to extend a bit, you can do it 6 p.m. Yeah, no problem. All right. All right. The last time it was 7 p.m. And I think that will be more than good enough because once you understand this, once you trade in the US market, it's going to be a very big swing. You may make some money, you may lose a lot more money. So it's pointless to trade on those timing. Why don't you trade something that is good and something that you can lead on it? You don't need to think so much. Yeah? So reconsider to trade gold in this type of timing, then you can make some money out of it. Right? In the morning itself, you can trade, but you usually may get a bit of swings here and there. So now let's expand the whole chart and see how we traded on gold yesterday. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, gold very clearly there is a diamond right here itself. So what you need to do, just draw a simple white line across the closing price, and you can see amazingly after you draw that, the market just zoom up as if they know where to go, and at the same time the boys were already coming in. Now, previously, so the market basically was a 5-minute chart was when the market come off, the boys were selling. So the boys can buy, sell, buy, sell. Maybe it's a small quantum fund doing that, but it's still making money, right? Okay, then after that, we have another 4 diamond. You just draw another 4 diamond line across it, and you can see again the market goes up, and again the boys are all on your side. So this is how you trade, okay? So now the market has hit the +1, and the pivot. So now moving forward, what should we do? Now, some people will say that they can still trade within the range, but I rather be safe than sorry. I'll tell my students, say, just draw the line first, okay? Draw a line first. And we basically draw a line first and we say that which one make more sense to go in. Now, this guy to go in is no sense because already pivot and KTR has been given, right? Number two, you can see at the moment right now, the market has been traveling sideways. Boys have been buying. So the market is waiting for something to happen. Then in between itself, there was some normal trading when the bar is yellow, the KSI is green. When the bar is red, the KSI red. Okay, fine. These are all very simple, basic stuff that you can actually reconsider. But what I want to show you is this guy here, the diamond. So remember, when you see a diamond, you have to draw the line. You have to draw. Do not use your finger basically give a estimation. You need to draw it on the chart. So okay, so once it's done, okay, I will just skip for this for a second. Total time to draw. Okay, hold on a minute. Oh yeah, I think there's a jam here. So okay. Okay, so what you can see right now, you have the diamond formation, and that's where you draw the line, and the market very clearly wants to buy. And then after that, the market hits again the KTR, which is given, and the market goes up. And then after that, what happened? The market breaks above pivot 2 very strongly what the boys are buying. So rather than thinking they are sellers, I can tell you definitely is it buying and selling, all right? And truth be told, you can see that the price after that shoot up, right? So that is what happened. Sorry, this is Dow Jones. Oh my goodness, what am I talking about? Sorry, my bad, guys. Oh gosh. Also, I got multiple screen blocking me. I'm so sorry. Oh dear. Hold on, yeah. No wonder I find the price so funny. Apology. Yeah, this is the gold chart. Sorry, that's all. Don't know why it skipped all the way to the Dow chart. It looks similar at the start. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Okay, so let me just rewind the clock a little bit to the gold again. I'm so sorry. All right, so gold is where it started to move, right? The gold, and then the KTR was given. But what was scary was a pivot. How did the market know there's a pivot there and the market actually stopped there itself? That is where it get very scary. Yeah. Okay, so just rewind the tape a little bit so you can see after that the market hovers at KTR plus 1 over here. And once the market breaks above the pivot, that was where the gold shoot up all the way to KTR plus 3. That's where I suggested that it's time to get out. Now, of course, later on, the gold went up all the way higher, and some people get upset with me. But seriously, from here is where I call for buy. This was where I call for buy. And this is where I call for sell. I don't think I've done any disservice to you. I think that's good enough. But of course, if you're asking me why didn't I predicted this and that itself, then I tell you that I can't do that, yeah? But I did tell you, right, the OP rule is very simple. Once the market KSI is with you, if you're buying above OP, just hold your position till end of the day. I think that basically out of 22 time, 17 time will be pretty good, yeah? Okay, so sorry for the earlier mistake there itself. You can see that there's a diamond over here. You draw a line across it, you draw a line across it, the market hit KTR. And then after that, what happened to the market? It stays above KTR plus 1. It went all the way to pivot 1, and amazingly, that's where the market stopped. This is why it's how crazy is our system. It does tell you what. Then after that, the price pulls back, and now this all these prices here is part of the upside over here, right? So you don't expect the market to be moving a lot at the back end. It means that once the market, right, opening price is here, and you have your KTRs and stuff, once the market goes up here and hit the KTR, the remaining area here itself, right, this area here, I'm going to color a bit, it's going to be sideways, okay? So because the market had rushed to all the TP level already, right? So now at the back here itself, it's all considered the sideways market. If you want to make money out of this, you need to be very patient, watch the screen, and of course, most importantly, a bit of luck. So the first time you can see you draw a line across it, the market hardly move. The second line you draw a cut, the market hardly move. Only the third one, then we see the market really moving. And because the market was really moving, you can see what happened. Okay, you can see that it went all the way up from here, all the way. Now, why is that blue over there because there's a first, this signal tell you that the market has triggered the pivot. So to remind you that this is going to be either a very strong resistance or it may turn into a very strong support. And after that, a four diamond appear again. You can see again the market just cannot close below the white line, and the boys were buying strongly and back the price basically went all the way up. And the first TP level was exactly at KTR plus 3. Amazing. Then only later part in the 25 minutes or so, the market started to stay above the KTR plus 3 and then push it higher. Now, when you push it higher itself there to 13401, you notice that there is a 4 diamond over here, right? And you just have to draw a line across it. You will know why the gold price pulled back. So guys, it's very important to draw the line so that you can actually trade according to plan. This is a very, very important exercise that you must do. And of course, after that, you can see that the gold price basically went sideways, all right? So guys, apology for just now the hiccup over there, but I managed to share with you very importantly how to trade gold. And every day itself just have to follow the same strategy: above OP buy, below OP sell. Second thing is that, right, very important, sorry. Okay, second thing very important is that the KSI of the day chart is to get the macro picture of it. So the day chart KSI is in your favor, you can trade a bit bigger. If it's not in your favor, kindly reduce the trade. Okay. All right, guys, thank you very much for listening to me. I apologize for the mistakes once again. I wish you all the best for trading. I'll be going for my meeting soon. A bit busy today. I should be free tomorrow, and let's see how we can arrange from there. All right, till then again, this is Kel signing off. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.